Today is a special day. We're gonna get rid of these wheels and tires on our Ford F-350 model year 2000. By far my favorite vehicle I've ever had. Love this thing. We had one blowout, so there's a stalker on there. It's definitely in need of tires. As you can see, all the wheels are starting to corrode. They're just some cheap chrome plated things I found to get us by. And now we have got the stalkers for the inner rears, painted them black. Got some American Racing Baja 204s, I think they're called, with some Cooper Discoverer ST Max tires. A lot of good reviews on these, so I went ahead and bought them, reasonably priced. Should look pretty good. I'm super excited. Let's get to work. So I can't recommend the use of this product enough when you're assembling stuff to keep it from rusting together. Well, if you want future disassembly to not be a nightmare. So I'm going to paint up the back of this hub where the rim rests against it, and between the inner rim and the outer rim especially, because I have aluminum going against steel. And there's just a natural chemical reaction between aluminum and steel that causes galling and can make your life a nightmare in the future. And obviously the studs are going to get painted up good with this anti-seize because there's aluminum lug nuts going on it. So we're going to get this done and get these wheels on here. So I lied to you. After doing the other front, it's pretty much the same. So nothing really special, different, but I'll bring you along. This is why I highly encourage the use of anti-seize between metal surfaces. This wheel is corroded on here between the rust that built up between the back of the wheel and the hub face. So hopefully this hammer will do the trick. Oh man. On there pretty good.
Oh my gosh. Oh no.
Guys, let's chill on the ball. Oh, hi. That's why the light was.
Fun, fun.
Fun, fun.
Fun. Fun, fun.
Oh, oh, oh.
Oh.
He's trying to get it to loose.
Can you guys go check on the little guy for me?
Yeah.
Bye, Mama.
Bye, love you.
Bye, Mama.
Mama! Wait, hold on. John was with you, Noah.
Me? Outside?
No, in the basement.
He was down there.
Okay, just go verify that.
Bye, Mama.
Bye, love you.
No, we're leaving the strongest kids. I'll miss you. I'll miss you. I'll miss you. Papa, I get it for you. I'll miss you.
That's not gonna work now, is it? Wonder if putting the weight of the truck will pop it off of there. Get back.
Wow, Papa's a strong man. Oh!
Nice.
Oh, it's coming off. Papa. Back off. It's off the ground. Papa, it's off the ground. It's off the ground. It's off the ground. Make it flip.
Well, that worked out nicely.
Yep. Now, whip it up. Let me get the air tire.
No, not yet.
Tires are heavy though. Ooh.
All that corrosion in there.
But we can't really see much. But let me bring it. Let me take it somewhere. Thank you. Where let me put it?
Go with the other one.
That's pretty. So there's one more to put on.
Yep.
Yeah, all of them are going on.
So there's the finished product on the front. Super stoked on how they look. Went together well. Put cardboard underneath the front tire if you're wondering, because I did buy these online. So I need to check for clearance issues tomorrow, turning full right, full left. When I have a helper, I don't anticipate having any problems, because I stuck with the stock size. Didn't want to get too crazy with wheels and tires. They can get quite expensive. And you start getting into spacers, new lugs, especially on the rear with the dual tires. Wasn't trying to get into all that, just wanted something basic, nice. That looks good, and these fit the bill.